just got to the pier and it is beautiful out today. It is warm, it is sunny. Very happy. I'm glad that it's like you're here when it's actually warm and hot, you know?
Yeah, like when I brought my mom and brother here last week, it was so
cold. Yeah. So this is like really nice. It's beautiful. I'm like really angry because we paid $30 for parking. And then Aysha was like, oh my god, there's so much parking in lot 45. I paid $7 and I was like, excuse me. So, a little salty, but that's okay. Guys, Aysha's here! Yay! Yay! It's so weird not being able to like see myself in the camera.
Oh, I know. I was like, where?
You guys look great.
Yeah, I know. It's the reunion. I'm so happy. And she never comes to Santa Monica, so this is gonna be fun.
This is like my second time here.
Yeah, ever? And we got, that's crazy. This is my second time here too, and I'm not even from here. But I got churros, she got churros. We're waiting for bubblegum shrimp. I've never been there before, but I hear it's
very common here.
I hear it's good, yeah, but we'll see how it is. And we still got the girls over here. Shecht is really mad that she didn't get her fries. Look at how beautiful this view is from the bubblegum shrimp place. It is so pretty. And the food's here. Food's here. I'm not even gonna try to show everyone's food, but this is mine. It's a shrimp po' boy.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yes. No, they do. It's a photo shoot. Yes, ma'am.
Hey guys, so we are, I don't know why I always say hey guys every time I turn a clip on, but we're at 3rd Street Promenade and I've always wanted to come here because I see it in so many like vlogs and stuff like growing up, but we're at Paxson right now. The girls are in there, I'm about to go in, but it's so cute here. It's like a whole street just full of shopping and it's super cute. Look at this girl, she finally found her angle. Look at Isra, how loyal she is. That is some loyalty.
Alright guys, Kitty, you are so, I don't like this judgment.
We just got to Venice Beach and it is stunning here. We actually just made it in time for sunset. Probably about 5 minutes to spare before the sun is completely gone, but it is stunning over here. This is my favorite beach that I've been to so far. And I love it. It's so pretty. I don't even know what
Yes. This should be the thumbnail. I just got your thumbnail for this video, by the way.
that was actually ridiculous. I hate us. Isra, I love you. There they go. I'm so sad. Guys, you don't understand what just happened. I was just so stressed. I had the worst anxiety because I thought she was gonna miss her flight. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and Isra's not here. It's so weird. Yes, Shecht is here and we're having a good time. We're actually just getting ready to head out. We're going to the Too Faced office. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, yeah, and it's like beautiful outside. There is literally not, it actually amazes me that it is so blue. I know. I have, like, it is, there's not one, there's not even one piece of cloud. Like, what is a cloud? LA doesn't know what a cloud is, apparently. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's really far though. It's in Irvine, and Irvine's really far from LA.
We're going on a road trip.
Yeah, literally a road trip. So we're gonna Uber there and have some fun at the Pink Palace. So I'll see you.
Imagine this
on our
Uber
way.
doesn't have an aux cord.
Oh my god. What is up with LA and their Uber drivers? Like, they don't have aux cords, or they just don't want to give it to us. But my eyebrow keeps twitching. It's twitching again. I don't know if I like vlogged last time, but this eyebrow was twitching. And now this one is. I don't even know what I'm stressed about, honestly. Probably all the shit that I've like not done all week that is gonna wait for me as soon as I get home.
We've literally been avoiding, well, like, we've been avoiding.
You've been good. You've been good at uploading.
Well, I'm still like very, uploading, but I'm still like very behind, and it's
like
really funny because like we'll try to get some work done. Like we'll like scramble, like right now I'm like scrambling to get a video up, and then like, okay, let's go. Exactly.
It's like go, 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 but whatever. I'm on vacay.
You are on vacay, I'm not.
Yeah, I know. I'll see you guys later though. This is so cute. We just got here. Thank you. Thank you. This is so cute. cute. Oh my god, it's literally the cutest thing ever. Guys, we just got to the Too Faced office and it is literally the cutest thing ever. Like, look at this background, and then you have the melted matte or the melted liquefied lipsticks over there, and this is literally the size of me. I love it. I love how extra this is. And the sign over here. Ah, this is like a dream office. I'm obsessed. It is so cute. Oh my god. Of course. Is this like all the employees' pets? Yeah. No way. Wow, this is pretty. Marble.
All of our conference rooms are all themed. So this is the Paris room. Chandeliers and the Tiffany blue on the wall. So this is a favourite.
Love.
The meetings, big meetings happen in there.
Big things popping. Oh my god, all the chocolate. Look how cute the peaches are. Peach, please. It's a tree full of the Sweet Peach palette, guys. What could be better? Oh my god. Y'all know how much I love this. That's sick. And everything is peach themed in here. Look at these little big peaches. No way. They have a legit salon. Oh wow, the lighting is bomb though. They're... Pardon? Oh, these ones. Ooh.
So cool.
So Faye got us this delicious lunch from Mendocino, or is it Mendocino? Mendocino Farms. And I've always wanted to try, it's like fake meat, but it's the kind that like actually bleeds or something. Like, I don't know, I've heard about this exact like kind of vegan meat. My mouth is legit watering right now, but this looks so good. So good. Yeah, I can't wait to eat. So we just met Huda Beauty. So we first came into Too Faced and they were like shooting something and we were super confused, and then her and her sister just walk in, and then she was like, oh hey, we didn't really get to talk to her, but as we were leaving, we were literally like right about to exit the doors, and I was just like, F it, like I gotta say something. So I was like, hi, can I hug you? Like, it was so awkward. And she was like, oh my god, yeah. I didn't know what else to say. And then like we just started talking just like very briefly, and then we left, and I don't know what we were doing out there. But we were just kind of walking to the car. We were walking to the car.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was Huda.
And then she runs out of the door and she's like, wait guys, can I bother you for a sec? And then we literally just had like, I don't know, like a 15-minute conversation, and she was so sweet, like so genuine. We got like photos with her and stuff, like literally, oh my god.
Can you send those to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you all of them. Let me airdrop once these are uploaded. But I can't believe that. I'll put the photos somewhere over here.
She was so sweet.
Yeah, I didn't have my camera on me, but you can go to Shahd's channel if you want to see the vlog. But wow, she was so super sweet, and she was like, when you come to Dubai, like text me, whatever. I was like, is this real life right now?
Yeah. So insane.
Super cool girl. But yeah, she was like freaking out. It was cute.
You guys, I never fangirl over anyone. Freaking Chris Brown was right behind me the other day, and I said nothing to him.
Oh my god.
But I saw Huda, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I love you.
Yeah.
I love you.
So cool. And especially like I was telling her this, I'm like, for someone who literally is so successful, has literally built an empire for herself, like you are so down to earth and so sweet. And she was like, super cool. Really enjoyed it. But now I think we're going to Laguna Beach. It is like super hot
casually
outside.
going about our day.
I know. How do we move past this? I have no idea. But I also need, actually I have water right here. Bye. So guess what? We are back at we're back at Earth Cafe. I was gonna say Laguna Beach, but this is actually my first time here. With Chef over here, I got cheesecake because Isra, okay?
So good.
Isra, you did this to me, okay? I'm supposed to be good, but she got the cheesecake from here last time and we literally demolished it. It was delicious, and I'm sure you can guess what she got. Well, I'm not even gonna say it, but she got avocado toast. Avocado toast. But this is such a cute place. It's Laguna Beach. This is where they like film.
Let me just.
Yeah, just look at it.
Look at the view.
Oh, it's too bright.
Turn the bright. Oh no,
it's freaking stunning.
just casual. I'm just waiting to find Elsie.
California, like why don't I live here already?
I know. Can you please come live here, please?
Can I be your roommate?
Yes.
Okay.
Can't wait to pay half rent.
Yes. I got a boba as well. She did too. So
Spanish
latte boba, and I got the green tea. So hopefully it tastes good. And then I'm gonna check out Laguna Beach after this. I'm super excited. I still can't believe we met Huda. I still can't believe that. It's not like her number's in our phone. That shouldn't be allowed. Like, what is
The fact that she just felt so comfortable giving us her person.
right? I was like, is she gonna give us her like her?
I could be like a complete weirdo.
Yeah, but
I don't know.
So cool.
She was so sweet. She's so cool. Sweetheart.
Yeah, but I'll let you guys in on the rest of my day. Oh my god, I just realized I'm leaving tomorrow.
No, you're not.
No,
You're gonna miss your flight.
I'm gonna miss my flight, yeah. We've decided. Wow. Oh, guys. Can you please just take in this beauty? Oh my goodness. Know this, but I was a huge fan of The OC, the show The OC. So we are in Newport Beach because they always used to come to Newport Beach and everything like that, so I really wanted to see it. And this place is literally the cutest place ever. Like, I am obsessed. Literally this entire area though is like straight up like you need to be high class to live here. Like, there's no such thing as a middle class or low class here. Literally so pretty. But yeah, I'm just gonna tour around here for a bit, and then I don't know what else we're doing today. Hey guys, it is my last day in LA. I'm so sad. I'm leaving tonight at I think my flight's at 10:15. It's a red-eye flight, but oh my god, you probably can't even see me, it's so dark. Let me turn this way. It's a red-eye flight, so I'm probably gonna leave here around like 7, but Shaht is over here as well. I'm so sad to be leaving her. Oh, I'm just, yeah, anyways. I'm so sad to be leaving her. Don't leave me. I know.
It's been so nice having you here.
Yeah, oh my god, why am I
my phone
ruining your apartment right now?
Me, I had it on the floor. Whatever, put it on the floor.
I know, it's actually been so nice because like we can help each other with our content, and like it's just nice to like, I don't know, we just get along really well.
We would be great roommates.
We would be amazing roommates, but
do you want to move in?
Yes, actually, I mean, I have all my stuff here. I don't need any more.
You might as well stay.
Yeah, I'll just lose my passport and then stay here. That'd be awesome, but I don't know, maybe inshallah in the future you might see us together.
I'm gonna try to get her out here as best I can.
Yeah, we'll see if she succeeds.
We're gonna try to get her out here.
Yeah,
but I will succeed.
You probably want to show them your apartment. She set up the apartment so cute, guys. Like, I can't wait till you see her like room. Are you gonna do an apartment tour?
Yeah, I am.
It's gonna look so cute.
Yesterday.
She built this and like she did a good job. Look at that. She did that all herself.
Very proud.
Wow, it looks so good. Like, I love how it all came together. Like, everything matches perfectly. And like once you get plants and stuff and like
yeah,
put up your...
I'm gonna make her come with me to get plants today, and then we're gonna put them all over.
Yeah, so nice. This place needs greenery. And then once you put up like the Prada sign and everything, she has like cute stuff over there. Yeah, it'll be nice.
Do you still hate my rug?
No guys, look at the rug. At first, I'm be completely honest, when I saw the vlogs, I was like, girl, why? But now it's actually so cute. Like, it matches the whole vibe of this place really nicely. Yeah, I really like it, but...
I like it at first. A lot of people, it's not everyone's taste, but
it isn't. Yeah, exactly. No, it really does. It really does. But yeah, I'll check in later. But I'm gonna miss staring outside this big ass window and seeing the clear blue skies and the palm trees.
I know. I just like the fact that I look out my window and they're just like the most beautiful palm trees.
Yeah, literally, it is beautiful, and I'm going back to like 4 degrees Celsius, which is like around 40. Actually less than 40 degrees because go Canada. Guys, we just got to Home Depot. Shaht is getting plants. Can we just take in how beautiful this view is though? Like, why do all these places have the nicest views? First IKEA, now Home Depot.
There's the Hollywood sign.
Like, can I have this view please? Man, gorgeous. Let's go get you some plants and succulents. She hates when I talk about succulents.
I can't wait to never hear the word succulent. I tell you guys how many times Aysha has said
it's such a nice word to say though.
I was gonna say it's such an ugly word.
Succulent.
Let's take the stairs, guys.
Succulent. I love it. There's so many plants here. This is like my, I wouldn't say heaven, but I found succulents, guys. I found them. My aloe's slightly bigger. I wish they had bigger ones, but they're gonna grow. Oh, this one's like, there's a lot of aloe in here.
thriving.
This is really thriving. Yeah, exactly. This is like, you would need another tub for this. This is cute. Who knew Home Depot had this many plants? I didn't.
We still have more to see.
Yeah, we do. We got this so far. This is cute. Oh, and it has a little flower.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
cute.
realize. I like that. Look at Shet's back right now. It is just like filled with greenery. We got this big plant chilling. The soil's spilling.
Guys, are you ready for all the
fun.
good vibes?
Guys, we're saying goodbye to Shet. I'm so sad. Oh, this is the end of
gonna come
the
back
LA
soon,
adventure. Yeah, inshallah, I'll be back
Inshallah,
soon.
you'll be back.
I mean, who doesn't want to come back to LA? But also for this gal over here.
I can't have it back.
Yeah, she was such an amazing host.
Stop.
So may Allah reward you. And thank you so much. And I'm so, like, we were just talking, like, from when I came last Wednesday to now, like, now it looks like a home. Like, there's stuff everywhere. Like, this is the unofficial apartment tour. But there's like this. She got her plant. It survived the car ride. And
I
like,
don't kill my plants.
yeah. But you know, this is California. Like, plants thrive here.
And I think it's gonna thrive.
So
There's so much natural
cute.
lighting.
And like when you take photos and stuff, it's so cute.
I love you so much. I love you so much.
you
And I will
too.
see you soon, inshallah.
Yes, inshallah.
Send
Okay.
you to the airport.
Okay, bye.
Love you guys.
Love you too.
Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to Aysha. Don't
Yeah,
hesitate.
subscribe and then check her channel out too, because she's amazing.
Love you guys.
Okay, bye.